Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing a MTEC 2 bumper on the e46 project car. Bumper we're gonna be removing. We're gonna be installing this one right here. I think don't know the difference. That's an MTEC 1, but you know, I got a M3 diffuser and somehow installed it onto that bumper. But I like this one because it has that, and that's carbon fiber, and I can, you know, cut the dual exhaust for that. Screw here and here. You will need a wrench and an extension because they are up. I would use a T45. Looks like a star. I already took one of the screws out. Actually, it looks like that. So you go up into the bumper to hold the bracket. So use a T45. Don't forget to, if you're gonna be removing your bumper, you know, the wheel plastic that covers it, there's 2 or 3, I believe, number 8s in here. Your bumper should just come off. Alright guys, so the bumper is installed. We'll be color matching it. Haven't added yet that because I might be putting a carbon fiber piece right there. See, that one's a plastic, but I might end up putting it just so I can cover a little bit of the exhaust. But yeah, that is the look, the actual bumper I wanted. If you saw in the beginning, this is the old bumper we had. Like I said, this is, not sure differences, but this is an MTEC 1 or 2 with an M3 diffuser.